Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here, Retro Crypto YouTube channel. It is December 17th, 2024 at 7:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the good old US of A. All right, guys, got a pretty cool video for you today. I want to talk to you about the total market cap. I want to talk to you about Supra. I want to talk to you about a little thing going on behind the scenes at Supra with a hackathon. I want to talk to you. I want to do some technical analysis, some Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Solana, SUI, and Pulsechain projects I really like. But before we get started, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys, you have been killing it, and I appreciate it. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, and the subscribers. It is absolutely awesome, guys. Please keep it coming. One thing I do want to ask you guys to do: don't forget to subscribe to, or not to subscribe, but to follow me on my Twitter account. All right, the link's right below the description. When you're done watching the video, just go right there and subscribe or follow. Duh. Anyway, all right, let's jump right into this, guys. I know you already hit the like button, or I know you already commented, and you're already subscribed to the channel. So let's go. All right, just pinging. I don't even want to talk about it. All this meme coin craze stuff. Stick with the meat and potatoes, guys. That's what I got to say about that. All right, let's jump right into this here. First thing I want to do now. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not like this technical guru guy. I just like doing technical analysis, and I was playing around a little bit, and I wanted to show you guys something cool. At least I thought it was cool. And then we'll go into Super, and then we're going from there. All right, so check this out here. This date mark is May 6th, 2020. Okay, that's not quite the bottom. The bottom would have been here. Um, March 15th, 2020. That's when it really took off, leading into that last bull run when things just took off. And from that point to where we are right now, currently, is 3,495%, which is pretty amazing. All right. Now, these right here are the two peaks from the recent high. Uh-oh. Let me make this guy smaller so you can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I hate when I do that to y'all. I'll move me over here. Oh, bam. It'll put me there for just a little bit. All right, so right here, that is March 15th, 2020. And you can see that's where it went up 3,495% to right here, which is where we currently are at 3.62 trillion in total market cap. All right, that's total market cap that encompasses all of the crypto projects, everything. Okay, the good and the bad. Now, um, with that said, I was like, okay, so we jumped up basically 3,500 percent. So I was like, so what would happen if we went from our recent all time, where our most lowest point since the recent all time high, which would have been approximately roughly around December 22nd, 2022. And we imagine that we're going to do half of what we did last time, just half. That will put us all the way up here at I should have put a line in there. It'll put us all the way up here at $14.72 trillion, which I don't think that's that far fetched personally. Um, I mean, it's kind of amazing, but I don't think it's that far fetched, especially when you think about just what the U.S. is in debt. And right now, I'm gonna look up some. I'm gonna look up the entire world. What should I say? The entire world economy value. Please don't tell me I messed up my typing. I probably did. A little nervous. Okay. Blah blah blah. 100 trillion. All right. So according to recent data, the entire world economy measured by global gross domestic product is valued at approximately 100 trillion US dollars. So 14.72 trillion with the way things are going with Bitcoin and the strategic reserves with Bitcoin, is it really that far fetched? I mean, that would make cryptocurrency 14.72% of the entire world's GDP or whatever. But it's I don't know. It wouldn't be the GDP, would it? No, no, no. It would be yeah, it would be the GDP. I'm sorry. But I thought that was pretty amazing. Like I said, I don't know what I'm talking about. I just like playing with numbers. And it seems realistic for me to say it did 3,500% last time. This time we do it half of that. Half of that's pretty freaking amazing. And I'm off just a hair. Sorry about that. Let's bring it down just a hair. 35. It's still 14,000 trillion, 14 trillion, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, pretty amazing stuff. I thought it was pretty cool. Hope you did too. All right, let's dive straight into Supra now. Supra is on today. We got it on a 4-hour chart today. We're going to stick with the 4-hour chart. Got some volatility going on. And it looks like Supra fired off with a sell signal, a short signal. I'm sorry, the little X is a short signal with the Fu Manchu chart right here. It fired off with a short signal, and it's also Ichimoku was predicting it to be bearish. So maybe this is the right time to pick up your Supra. Now, it is up 0.5% as of right now, but it looks like it's about to do a bit of a pullback, guys, especially with that short signal firing off right there. The Fu Manchu B chart, you are definitely in a downward spiral. There is no bottom in sight. There has not been a long signal to fire off yet. So, would I buy? No. Would I sell? Definitely not. But I think you might be able to get it a little bit cheaper if you're looking to buy some, but it's all a gamble. And that's on a 4-hour chart. If you look at the 2-hour chart, 2-hour chart also, wow, 2-hour chart actually fired off with a sell signal after the short signal. So you had a short, a bearish continuation, a sell, and then another sell. This sell here is actually produced by the RF buy and sell signals. I like it. It works really well with the Fu Manchu. The Fu Manchu fires off with this little red dot here, but two sell signals. Uh, be very careful. uh, you might be able to get a little cheaper. And now we're still on the Fu Manchu B chart. The cash flow is neutral. The volume, which is the yellow, I'm sorry, the cash flow is negative. That's the red. The yellow is negative. That's for volume, and the momentum is down. So yeah, it's definitely in the middle of a pullback right now. Now it does look like it might be about to bottom out with the Fu Manchu B on the 2-hour chart, but I definitely will proceed carefully. Carefully. I said carefully, harmfully, horrible. Anyway, this is a lot harder than you guys think it is. All right, so let's jump over here real quick to the Supra chart with the Fibonacci retracement. I don't know if you guys remember I did this the other day. The 61.8 was the sweet buy spot from the, basically the lowest point, more relatively the lowest point. That date would have been right about here, about December 5th, okay? And the Fibonacci retracement has it at 0.036. We're currently sitting at 0.46. So now you're not in a sweet spot to try to buy in, according to the Fibonacci retracement. Now, granted, I started the very lowest point. You could start it a little higher, but I'm gonna stick with the lowest point right now because the whole project, the whole mainnet for this is still brand spanking new, in my opinion. Um, Now, something else I drew just the other day, and I forgot about it. And then I pulled this chart up and I remembered it. I said the trend line. We did drop beneath that trend line, and we're going to stick with this trend line. I'm going to try not to mess this up. I'm going to keep saving it. But we are underneath of this trend line right now. So there is a little bit of a pullback. Now, is this something to go, screaming to the, no, not at all. No big deal at all, guys. Not at all. All right, I'm going to move this big-headed guy back across the screen to where he belongs. Bear with me. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Cool. All right. Next up, Supra has some pretty interesting stuff going on. At least I thought it was pretty interesting. It's above my ability set, but I still think it's cool, and I think you should know about it too. Supra Movers Hackathon overview. All right. It's from January 12th to January 24th, online only. Lead the way on the newest move, layer one. Super Movers Hackathon is a premium. Let me get a drink, guys. Sorry. All right. All right. Super Movers Hackathon is a premium global event designed to build impactful super dApps using the Move language and Supra's Layer 1 Move VM. This hackathon is dedicated exclusively to Move-based projects, which offers a chance to explore the advanced capabilities. And then there's like a list of the rules. You got the application dates, registration dates. Now down here, I was like, all right, so what is all this? Team size 1 to 4, registration costs none. what is a Super Movers Hackathon? A global hackathon designed to encourage innovation using the Move programming language and Supra's Layer 1 Move VM. Now, I'm brand new to Supra, right? So what I did was I was like, so what is that? So I looked it up and it was like, here's what AI has to say. Super Move language refers to the Move programming language often used in context of the Super blockchain, which is designed specifically for secure smart contract development, drawing inspiration from Rust language and focusing on robust asset management features. Essentially, Super signifies for the platform utilizing the Move language, emphasizing its focus and security and advanced capabilities. Then I was like, all right, so what's Rust language exactly? Just to make sure I'm clear on it. It says some blockchains that use Rust include Polkadot. They're disappointing right now, but they are still, their original concept kind of, well, it's behind Super, but the cross communication. But anyway, we keep going. And then you got Solana and Elrond. All right, so obviously Solana is huge. Um, so down here it says who can participate: developers, students, and blockchain professionals from anywhere in the world. Beginners are welcome. Hey, if you got the skills, this might be opportunity to learn something new. I'm not a programmer, but if you're a programmer and you want to get on the bottom floor, this would be a great opportunity for you. No participation. No participation is completely free. Can I work alone or in a team? You can participate solo or as part of a team, and it goes on and on and on. But I just wanted to bring this to your attention. And there is a prize, and the prize was on a Twitter that I lost. But on their Twitter, I think it's that was it 15,000. Can somebody help me out with that? I think it was like 15,000. I'll tell you what, since I screwed that up, let's go ahead and jump on over to Twitter Super real quick. Super's Twitter. Super. Here we go. Let's jump over here. Um, $15,000. There it is. So yeah, check that out, guys. That's pretty cool stuff there. I just wanted to bring it to your attention. I found it on the Telegram. Remember, I was telling you guys you should join the Telegram. Look at the announcements every day, every other day. Just keep yourself up to date. You know what I mean? And also, you want to look at the ecosystem. Something I did realize about Supra, though, that I don't think that a lot of you guys are 100% conscious of. This is a long play, all right? So in other words, the mainnet dish just launched in the middle of this bull market. So don't think, oh, we're going to the moon next, just make sure you may have to knuckle down for the ride, just like with Solana, all right? Solana had a nice run up, but then they had a bigger one later, all right? The next one's just something to think about, all right? I might have to do a whole separate video on that one. All right. Jumping on, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on a 4-hour chart is bullish, guys. You got a buy signal. You have a change from previous trend on December 11th, a long signal there, and a bunch of bullish continuations. Ichimoku is very bullish. Now, the Fu Manchu B chart is indicating that there's a little bit of a pullback, and we're in that channel, but it's not very defined like other channels, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Been a lot of that going on. I suspect Bitcoin's going to keep going up. The momentum was still way up there. Cash flow looks beautiful. That's the green. The volume is down. That's the yellow. And that's on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. Now you look at ETH right now. ETH has me a little frustrated. The Ichimoku is predicting ETH to take off any freaking day now. Basically, that is a thick Ichimoku. Next 4 days it should take off according to Ichimoku. We'll see what happens. It's been pretty disappointing. You can see right here it fired off with a short signal on today at 3 o'clock and continued to pull down. We're we're not down that much. I don't know. I'm just waiting. I think ETH's going to do big things, guys. Down here, you also confirms the pullback above with the Fu Manchu B. You see a sell signal. We're riding down a channel there. The momentum is down. The volume is down. The cash flow is down. But Ichimoku is saying it's going to do big things. Let's look at Ichimoku on the daily. Look at that. On the daily, it's confident. So it's going to eventually. Now, Cardano's always way behind the pack. I love Cardano. I will always report on Cardano. I'm a loyalist. What can I say? Not a maximalist, but I'm loyal. But Cardano's looking pretty. It's not looking spicy right now, to say the least. You have a bunch of blood diamonds with sell confirmation. Oh my God, blood diamonds and sell signals left and right. Got a short signal there, and then a bearish continuation. Yeah, it's nothing exciting what's going on with Cardano right now, guys. I got to be 100%. Ichimoku is still predicting some bullishness. We'll have to wait and see, but it is definitely pulling back. The Fu Manchu B chart is vicious looking right now. Volume's way down. Sell signal fired off right there. Man, it looks messy. We're gonna have to wait and see, but this is typical for Cardano. Is always behind a pack, and then it takes off to the moon. And if you like Supra, then you got to respect Cardano because it's about the tech, right? All right, Solana, which is not about the tech, but it's about price go up. Got to respect it. Um, that one here looks like it's about to make a move, guys. Solana looking good. Solana's looking very good right now, actually. On a 4-hour chart, we have a change from previous trend. Is that supported on a 2-hour? 2-hour fired off a buy signal, so Solana's looking good. Looking very spicy, actually. Change from previous trend. Bullish continuation. Bottom chart, you got a long signal here. The volume is up. Cash flow is down. Momentum is moving in the right direction. If you look at the 2-hour chart, it looks even more bullish. So Solana's looking good. Now, Ichimoku is predicting some bearishness, so they're kind of contradicting. Well, not really. Not really, because right here you got a sell signal also in the 2-hour chart. So you had a buy signal here, bullish continuation, bullish, bearish. Ichimoku is predicting a pullback, and right here is the beginning of a bearish pullback. So it looks like Solana may be about to pull back. All right, next one up, SUI. SUI is a force to be reckoned with. We have to see how this plays out. I own a decent amount of SUI, and I'm happy with it. Very happy. Um, Fired off with a buy signal on December 11th, and we are bullish according to Ichimoku. It does appear to have a lot of it's very traded. It's so obvious. You have a previous trend, a buy signal, bullish continuation, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish, short signal, bunch of bullish continuations, bearish, bullish, and then another short one in there. So, but yeah, I like this project. And honestly, this chart looks quite delicious. So keep your eyes on SUI. I think they're going to do big things. Remember, I'm never will be a maximalist. I love project. I love crypto. I keep my mind open. I believe in diversification. If you want to be a maximalist, that's fine. But I always I believe in diversification. I don't put all my eggs in one basket. All right. Last but not least, I will always talk about Pulsechain. I love Pulsechain. It's a cool project. I'm going to start doing videos for each individual ones I like. But right now, actually, I think about going live. What do you guys think? Should I start going live? Am I there yet? Do I got enough of you to have interest? I don't know. All right. So, Pulsechain, you have a significant pullback for it's got a sell signal that fired off on December 15th. And yeah, a bearish continuation, short change. What is that? It looks like a short signal that fired off there. Yep. And then never sell signal. Now, hopefully, the Fu Manchu has a little bit of light at the bottom, up in the horizon. Got a long signal here that was confirmed. So that buy signal was confirmed. So maybe Pulsechain is about to do a reversal. And you know how crypto is. Reversals are fast. So we have to keep an eye on that. And that's on a 2-hour chart. 4-hour chart doesn't look as delicious. It's just extremely bearish. So maybe in a 2-hour chart indicating a turnaround. But we have to wait and see. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Please subscribe, especially if you're still watching at this point, right? Make sure you leave comments. I respond to all your comments, and I appreciate them. And hit that like button. That is crucial. YouTube loves that freaking like button. And until next time, peace out.